After we've talked about the administrative sections of the TwinSpace, which are the mailbox, the teacher's corner, and the member administration, we are now heading to the project activities, which is where we store all the things that we have developed and where we present what we have done. When you click on the TwinSpace without having logged in, you will notice that there are now 2 pages that are public. This is because I've set them public. All other pages are not visible at the moment, as long as we don't set them to public, and I will show you how that works in a minute. So this is back to the logged in version of the TwinSpace. This is what we can see, but not the outside world at the moment, apart from these 2 pages. You will notice that there are some pages now, one for each country, and I would suggest that we all work in these pages individually. You can learn over time what you can do there and how it's done. And I've filled all the pages with the same kind of content. There is a blog, there is always a file archive, there is a forum, image gallery, and a wiki, and finally some web content. Those who are administrators can change the look of their page. If you're an administrator, you will see these things here. You can edit this page, or you can add an application. I've put all the applications that are available already on all the pages, but you can add some extras, and that shows here. I'm bringing that into the area that's recorded. There are some collaboration tools, and you can see they're all being used, and there are some management tools, and you can always have all these just once. Apart from the web content, you can have several web contents in one page. And if you want to use that, you just grab it and drag it over here and find a nice place for it. Okay, well, I'm taking that back because I already have a web content there. And then I'm closing it. So this is what administrators can do. Also, administrators can, if they're on the front page of the project activities, they can manage the activities that are visible here. Okay, so you have to click on that to be able to see this. If you click here, you can reorder the structure of the left side, manage the activities that are visible. Okay, and this is also where you can make them public. As you can see, I've published the first 2. We've noticed that before, and you can publish more. Okay, or rearrange the order, or add a new activity, which I'm going to do right now, just to show you how it works. I'm adding an activity, and I'll call it TwinSpace videos. This is because I've done TwinSpace videos, just like this one, and I can add things here. I can click the tools that I want to have on that page, but I don't want to have all of these yet. I can add them later on, maybe. I think I'll just have a blog, and that's it. So, and where do I want to have that? Yes, the lowest part, maybe one above. So that's TwinSpace videos now above the example page. And that's all I want to do at the moment. I can either go back or just press on project activities again. So here's my management button, where I want to go to that TwinSpace videos page that I've just created. As you can see, there is not much in there. It's just one blog, as I have decided before, but now I can add a blog entry. And a blog entry, all the blog entries are sorted by the date, and I can design which date should be mentioned, but I can just leave it as it is. And the interesting thing now is what goes in here. I can just write just like in an email, and I have similar tools here. I have to give it a title. I'll just say videos. Again, TwinSpace videos perhaps. And here I could write, but I don't want to write. At that point I want to use the source code. The source code is good for uploading or embedding videos, and the videos that I've recorded are already on YouTube, and I'm getting them from YouTube and putting them into this TwinSpace. I can share the videos, and if I do that, I can get an embed code, and I just copy that. That's Control C. Going back to my TwinSpace, and this is why I set source code here, because now I can just copy the code, the embed code that I copied from the YouTube pages. I can just paste it in here, and now I publish this blog entry in the page. And as you can see, it's not a link anymore, it's now the embedded video from YouTube in my TwinSpace videos page. And I will add all the other videos there as well, and you can have a look at them and learn a lot about the TwinSpace. That's it.